kung nakaline up sila na
Straight.
straight.
Maliliit, mga maliliit. Walang tatawid ha. Tayo lang kayo dyan. Stay put.
Ready!
Go, right team!
Get to it! Go!
Go, right team! Go, Bulahan! Talian nyo! Ayaw na ihigot! Ihigot lang kaisa! Go! Go na! Go! Wow! Bulahan! Wow! Wow! Bulahan! Magingay! Magingay! Bulahan!
And then, Pulahan, then second is the Dilaw.
Kailain, syempre!
Wala pa.
Syempre! Ayaw naghihigot!
Okay, and last but not the least,
Team Bughawan. Meron pa po tayong mga games, so makakabawi pa po ang Team Bughawan.
Red, sino second? Sige, second.
hey, everybody set.
Yes! Red team, mag-ingay!
Okay, once again, we will have